Hi everyone, I'm Guinness Saraswati Goyal, NLP and Law of Attraction coach. And I will ask you a very simple question. How long does it take for you to get out of any negative situation? 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year? There are some people who are not able to get out of negative situations, negative feelings, even after years and years have passed. And all it takes are just simple, very easy 3 steps. And I will be telling you those simple, very easy steps if you promise to like and subscribe to my channel. So here goes those 3 simple, easy steps. First, just see a situation, an event as an event. Stop attaching meanings to that situation. See, something happens, a situation takes place, and we get affected by it only if we attach some meaning to it. And how do we attach meanings? We attach meanings either by generalizing something about the situation, distorting something about the situation, or deleting something out of it. And what is that? See, suppose somebody asks you, tells you that you always talk to me like this. So, what is happening here? Is that person generalizing? Is it always true? Has that person always talked to you like this? Has he never talked in any other way? Are you deleting that fact? What are you distorting? The way he's talking? The way he's supposed to talk? So there are so many things going on. When you see a situation just as a situation and take the meaning out of it, you attain a very calm, relaxed, peaceful, Zen state of mind. It is so calm and relaxing. And only after you have attained that relaxed peace of mind, if you want, you can attach any meaning to it. So when you start doing this, when you start practicing it, you start responding to things like a human being. And then we don't we stop reacting to things like animals do, just out of habit. So then we are in control of our emotions, the way we behave, the way we react, we respond to situations. Second, see what you are focusing on. Are you focusing on the have-nots, or are you focusing on the past or the future? Mostly we see only the negatives in life and tend to just sideline the positives. Okay, now tell me how many red things are there in your room. I will ask you that. Okay, now tell me how many yellow things are there without looking. See, caught you there? You did not see the yellow things because you were busy counting the red ones. In life, if we are busy counting the negatives, how will we look at the positives? And whatever we put our energy towards, those things come towards us more. So the more we focus on negative, the more negatives we get in our lives. So start focusing on what we have. Start focusing on the positives. The moment you change your focus, you change your whole emotions, the way you take situations in life. Third, and the most important one is your body language. Yeah, you heard me right. Your physiology. Every gesture, every body language has a definite impact on our emotions. Hard to believe? Okay. Just droop your shoulders a little, look down, and maybe even with a smile say, I'm happy. Felt that happiness? I did not. Okay. Now look up, maybe smile on your face, just do like this and say, I'm happy. You felt the difference, right? So our body language definitely does have an impact on our emotions. So when caught in a negative situation, change your physiology, change your body language. Go out of the room, go take a walk, and if nothing else is possible, go to the washroom, take a break. Change that pattern, break that pattern, take charge of your body language. And if you're thinking about a negative situation, something of the past, then immediately change your physiology. If you're lying down, sit up straight, maybe stand up, start walking, maybe just be a little more confident. It will make a lot of difference. I have tried these tricks, all of them, all these steps. You try them and do let me know what you feel about this video. hoping I have added some value. Signing off for now. Stay blessed, stay happy.